to the channel, and today we got a brand new drone case for a DJI Mavic Air, Mavic Pro. Whatever you got that's foldable will fit this case. Now let's open this case up and see what we got inside. So inside, when we open this up, there are two locks, and this is a hinge-based system, so you just press this lock, it opens up, and there's a nice foam padded everything. So inside the box, you'll see my Mavic Pro lying in. I've got two more extra batteries. Actually, you can store another two batteries on this side, but I have four batteries. I've got a range extender inside this. I've got a phone mount. I'll do a review on this phone mount, and I've got some lanyard and cables hiding on this side. The case is so well made that when you take a look into this one, it has two fingers to take out your controller. Pretty darn easy, right? And when you pop your controller back in, as you can see, the joysticks will actually fit in that place and keep your joysticks together. Amazing, right? Then the Mavic Pro actually fits very snug. So whenever you take it out, you'll see they have actually made special padding for the Mavic Pro to fit perfectly. You can keep extra props inside. If you can check that, you can keep extra props, and your camera is super protected. Yes, I think this case is highly recommended. Why is it so? 55 bucks, guys. 55 bucks for this down case. It's pretty amazing. And when you fold this, that's how it looks. A small, portable, rugged, tough and waterproof case for your DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic Air. Basically, it feels a bit heavy when you just carry it around like this and you swing, but otherwise, this is a pretty sturdy case. The Pelican version of this one is $150. You can get that one, but I didn't buy that one because it was too darn big. It was this huge, but this, look how streamlined it is. Honest opinion about this case, this is a non-sponsored product. I have not been sponsored by anybody. I bought this case myself. I think this case is worth every single penny that these guys are asking for. You can pick it up right now, this case, for 55 bucks on any local Best Buy or on Amazon. The company again is SKB Cases. Made in USA. It's an American-made company. Support our local businesses, support the companies that are making or doing an awesome job in America. And yes, I do vouch for this case. Take care.